How to log into ICICI credit card account. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your ICICI credit card account. ICICI Bank offers a variety of credit cards designed to cater to different needs and preferences. Here's how you can log into your ICICI credit card account. For that, you need to open any web browser on your device, and in the search bar you need to type ICICI Bank credit card login. Once you have entered the keyword, now search for it by pressing the enter button of your keyboard. Once doing that, you will be presented with various search results. Here you need to click on this ICICI Bank credit card login link, which will be icicibank.com/cards.creditcard. Once you click on it, now you will be redirected to the official website of ICICI Bank credit card. Once you reach to this page, here under credit card login, you will find login now button. Click on this button and you will be redirected to this page where you will find login interface at the left side. Here first of all, you need to log into your internet banking to log into your credit card account. You will be provided with two different options, whether to log into your account using your user ID or the registered mobile number, or you may also log in with your QR code if you have one. Now choose one based on your preference. Here I am going with user ID. Click on this user ID box, and once you do so, you will see the login interface using the user ID. In the first box, enter your user ID. If in case you don't remember your user ID, you may also click on this get user ID link just below the box, and then you will be redirected to a new page where you will need to verify yourself using your bank details or the contact number. Now in the second box, enter the password of your account. Make sure you enter the correct password. You may also click on this I button at the right side to reveal it and check if it is entered correctly or not. Also, if you don't remember your password, you may also click on this get password button right here and follow the same process as in get user ID. Now after doing it, if you want your username to be remembered for future logins, you may click on this little square just ahead of this option. And you may choose one of these options based on your preference from this drop-down menu. Once you have chosen it, click on this login button, and then you will be able to log in to your credit card of ICICI Bank account. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.